Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill with AZ Property Inspections. I'm actually not at a house doing a home inspection today. I'm on my way to a class to give a CE class for realtors. But I did see something yesterday that I wanted to mention to you. For the last 18 years, arc fault breakers have been code in houses. And arc fault breakers are to prevent arcing in the electric system, and they are a code issue item. And so if your house is under 20 years old or so, look in your main electrical panel. If you do have arc fault breakers, this is a breaker. It's not an arc fault break, but it's very similar to this. It has a test button on it, and test the button, because if in fact you push the button and the breaker does not turn off, that means that the breaker needs to be replaced. At that house yesterday that I was referring to, yeah, it was a 1-year inspection. They had 10 arc fault breakers. One of them did not turn off, meaning that it needed to be replaced. So again, just a word to the wise, just check your breakers. Until next time, thank you.